This is me and my sister, Evie, and we are going to perform a show for you called Good Eaton Chef. And we will start off with the oil in your pan, and we want the pan on the oven, on the stove, and we gently pour the oil in. And now we will set that aside and turn the heat over to dial 2, because we are going to be caramelizing our onions. Now, Evie, do you care to put in the onions?
I'll use a spatula.
And now you want to gently break it up, and you don't really want to splash it. Now we want to add a little bit of salt and pepper.
Okay. Once you can add the salt and I add.
It's really fast.
Up.
And then some pepper. Now, Evie, do you care adding
Here.
the yellow bowl?
Here. Here.
Now, Evie, I think we want to spread it around the onions. And we want to let it cook. While the onions are cooking or caramelizing, we can prepare the chicken. And here is our salt and pepper and oregano, and we are going to gently put that in.
I was gonna put it.
And mix that around. And now we should coat the chicken with flour. Make sure it gets nice and covered. Look at these perfectly caramelized onions. Slightly soft, slightly brown. Waiting is surely the key to a perfect caramelized onion.
You struggling with this waiting part?
Yes! Now, in the meantime, we should crush some garlic and add a little bit of that. And be careful adding it in. May I hold this and put this down somewhere? All right, and then you gently mix it. in your caramelized onions. Make sure they get apart.
Let it cook a minute.
And let it cook a minute. And now we should put the onions in the bowl. And so you should get a bowl. Get the onions in it. Once done cooking.
Why did friends say I was big?
Alright. And you kind of spread that out in the bowl flat.
Put the oil and onions.
Mm-hmm.
Back
In the pan. In the pan.
And now get some more oil, and pour it into the pan. And then get your chicken. Then dump the chicken in.
Don't splash it.
Maybe we should do it with our hands.
Hold it. Try not to let it splash. Please don't touch me with that. Maybe touch me with this one. Alright. And you kind of break it up into smaller pieces and turn the thing to 6, the temperature to 6, and let it cook. So, our chicken has cooked and it looks a little brown. Now we want to add our chicken broth.
Beef broth.
Beef broth. Carefully pour it in.
All of it.
And then we want to add the onions. And now we want to mix it around. Hold on, our assistant needs to add the rest of the onions.
Yeah, it's almost done.
And then let it sit there for 10 minutes. So now that the chicken and the onions have been mixed together and they've been sitting there cooking with the timer, now we are going to put layers of cheese. Because I love cheese. You probably do too. You can put as much layers on there as you want. Make sure you get it everywhere.
Uh-huh.
I think it's gonna be delicious. I don't know. Just kidding, it's gonna be. All right,
Stop.
this is ready for hungry people. All right, are we ready?
We're ready.
We're ready.
Wow.
Thank you for watching. If when you taste yours, I think it will be delicious. Let's feast.